Myself, I've been here right out of high school since 1966. Family's been in this business since 1932. And so we buy any type of metal you can imagine. Anything from a car body down to aluminum cans. Every month, 3,000 to 4,000 tons easy. Various non-metals, copper, brass, zinc, just name the metal and we'll buy it. It's exciting. Yeah, I don't miss very few days. I love coming down here every day. Equipment's a big story. I remember when I was young doing things by hand. Now I wouldn't dream of doing that or have my children do the type of work that I did when I was 16 or 17. It's really progressed. Equipment has really made this industry great. You can produce a lot more material faster and easier. Most of our fleet is Atlas. I've seen these machines operate. Friends of mine, word of mouth, what's good and what's bad. Yeah, I've never heard anything bad about Atlas. It's working out real well.
This is a recycling facility. We process all this here in this own yard, and we're like the middleman for the founders. We've been using Atlas for about 4 years. We have 3 different sizes. We have 2 350s, 1 340 with a Trax, and 1 270. The machine you see behind me is a 340 Atlas. The difference between the 340 and the 350, this one is on Trax. And we like it because we have parts of the yard that are in concrete and some are not. They're in dirt. And with this type of machine, you can travel through any terrain. And that's the beauty of it. You know, compared to the ones in tires, you got to be more cautious of where you're traveling into. But the track has worked really well for us. The quality and the equipment itself, we're pretty amazed with it. There is a little bit more speed on them because of the speed of how they move. You can load your railroad cars faster, you can load your trucks faster. At the same time, you can feed more material into the shredder and the shears. Our operators seem to really enjoy it. The high rise of the cab, they're in love with that. And the air condition, besides that we're here in South Texas, it's pretty hot. With the service that we have from Romco, we're here locally from Mercedes, Texas, pretty impressive. You know, and I can't say nothing wrong about them.
Obviously, the nature of scrap metal is rough. So Atlas and their material handlers is a big plus. Having that type of machine in the scrap business, a lot of offloading and loading. We have a dedicated loader up and out in the port of Brownsville where we offload and load material. That would be, impossible without a material handler. You know, it wouldn't be as efficient. There's just no way to move the tonnage that we need to, and the time being, again, it comes down to efficiency and productivity, actually. And if we're down one day, it costs a lot. So we need those machines, make sure we got the proper size, make sure you got the right tonnage, you know, all that. Atlas has helped us move a lot faster, which is a plus, a big plus for us.